There's a lot of great choices out there for diesel trucks. Our own product, the Ford F-Series, has an amazing Power Stroke diesel. You have the awesome Duramax from Chevy and GM. But Ram has a little bit more of a unique powertrain configuration. They use an inline 6-cylinder diesel engine, a big 6.7 inline 6. And this one, it makes 370 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque. Massive power, massive torque. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford. Today we're talking about this 2022 Ram Bighorn Mega Cab. Let's dive in. This beautiful black Mega Cab recently came in on trade, nicely accessorized. We have a nice canopy, which makes the bed a lot more functional in our wet climate here in the Pacific Northwest. You can lock it, you can keep stuff out of prying eyes, you can keep it dry back there. This has a nice bed rug on it as well. With the Mega Cab, you have a Mega Cab with lots of space. The Ram is a fan favorite with the automotive press. They absolutely love the Ram. It's one of their favorites. They love the style, they love the premium interior, they love the power. You can't go wrong with any pickup truck. They're all fantastic. Everyone has all their personal preferences. To each his or her own. Obviously, we love the F-Series here at Scarff Ford, but the Ram is definitely a compelling choice. We have the original build sheet on this one. This one is nicely equipped with features. The premium cloth bucket seats was a $295 option. We have the off-road package that was $445. The night edition was $2,895, giving you a painted front bumper, painted rear bumper, 20-inch black wheels, park sense, front and rear park assist system, black interior accents. Then we have the level 1 equipment group that was $1,740. Anti-spin rear differential, $495. And upgrading to that awesome 6.7 liter Cummins diesel, that's a $945 option. For 2022, they have the Uconnect version 5, so a little bit better infotainment system. It's going to operate faster, probably connect with a wider range of smartphones, a nice backup camera as well. Integrated trailer brake controller. Four-wheel drive system is really straightforward. You have four-wheel drive high, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive low range, hill descent control. This one has these nice towing mirrors, which are configurable. You can flip them down like that. And when you're towing, you can flip them up like that for a little bit better visibility of your trailer. This one has the Banks PowerPack added. Banks has a long reputation for modifying big block gas engines and of course diesel engines. And the Banks exhaust system. And then we can see we have a few more accessories from Banks. Giving this Ram more power and more torque, which is never a bad thing when you need a truck to tow and haul. The more power, the more torque, the better. Well, thanks for joining us in this walk around of this 2022 Ram Bighorn with this awesome Banks PowerPack. Nice addition to our inventory. I'm sure it won't last long. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business over 100 years. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a wide variety of premium vehicles. If you enjoy this content and are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.